Okay, now put your mouth on the far side. Okay.
Do you guys see me good to laugh at me like up closer? So the pictures and the video can see my face. Why not one?
You really want to see? Okay, now from the back side.
That make me laugh.
Put your mouth.
I thought you don't make me laugh.
Pour it in. You can't do it.
Stand up and do
You
it.
have to stand up and do it. You can't sit down. It doesn't work sitting down.
Don't make me laugh.
Okay. You got to really bend over.
Okay. Tell me. I think I don't have it up anymore. I'm gonna try anyways. Yes, I do. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna need napkins.
It's okay for these to mop.
Okay, in Spain, the typical, if you have hip-hop, you take a knife and you change, like the knife, the side. And here, no, here you do it with
A knife? What is that going to do with hiccups?
Do this, and then you do this.
And it makes the hiccups go away.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, right.
I don't have hip-hop anymore.
I bet you did.
But here you weird crazy things. That's the reason we think American people is crazy. Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, you're going to have to
I
really...
can't.
You gotta really turn it upside down.
Okay, why I don't do this and you give me the water? That is please. You know, I'm gonna do like this and you give me water. It's so stupid. Okay.
What? Are you getting any water? Did you get any water?
That made me laugh. I'm gonna throw all the water away. Okay. Carmen is supposed to swallow it.
Swallow it.
How can I swallow if my throat is like down? I can't.
Yes, you can. I do it all the time. Swallow.
It's gonna take forever.
You should have hiccups now, so it doesn't really matter. Her ponytails. Now she can what? She's gonna clean the floor with her ponytail.